えおはようございます。
いらっしゃいませー。何やねんボケ、うるさい。
おはようございます。こんにちは。またはこんばんは。しかし私の場合、おはよう。ReymarCooks へようこそ。Now I guess you're wondering why we're speaking Japanese today, or probably not, since you've already probably read the title of the video. But I'm gonna say it anyway. It's because today I have the pleasure of teaching you one of my most favorite Japanese dishes, and it's called OkonomiYaki, and it is oh so OkonomiYUMMY. Get it? Because it's gonna be delicious, so. Why am I doing this to myself? Anyway, the dish is basically a Japanese pancake, and it's called okonomiyaki. And the reason why I love it is in the name itself. You have okonomi, which basically means whatever you like or how you like it, and yaki, which also means cooked. So whatever you like cooked. Now what that means for us is basically we can put in anything we want into it. So this is a dish that's great for like experimenting, or if you have some food left over and you don't know what to do with it, throw it in okonomiyaki. It's probably still gonna be really good, but again, it's your world of flavor, you have fun. Now there are multiple variations of okonomiyaki throughout Japan, and the variation that I'm teaching you is what I personally do at home. I do it this way because for me this is the easiest way and I want to share that with you guys. Anyway, that's enough jibber jabber. Let's get cooking.
Alright, so for the batter, all we need is about a cup of flour, some water, an egg or two, and just enough potato or cornstarch to give it a nice, gooey texture. Now traditionally, okonomiyaki uses yamaimo, which is a Japanese mountain yam, but these starches work just fine. Plus, it's a lot easier to find. For the filling, you can toss in whatever you want. But I do like to always put in some cabbage as a base because it adds a nice freshness to it. And it makes me feel less guilty for any unhealthy eating habits. Now that there's something healthy in there to lessen the guilt, I'ma add in a bit of bacon bits for a nice umami or savory taste. As a topping, you can use okonomiyaki sauce, which you can usually find in an Asian side of your grocery store, or even soy sauce and Japanese mayo or bonito flakes. Or even all of the above. Again, in the words of a certain king of burger shops, which I can't say due to copyright. So I'm just going to say, okonomi. Now, in a bowl, we're going to be putting in our flour and just enough water for when we mix it all together, it becomes a nice and incorporated liquid, like a pancake mix. Oh, and by the way, you can also use any kind of stock instead of water to up the flavor game. But all I had was water, so yeah. Once that's mixed together, add in a few spoons of the starch until you get a nice and gooey texture. Now once that's gooey, you may be tired from all the mixing, but stick with it for better or for worse, cause it gets better. Anywho, now we can add in our eggs and the filling of your choice. For the cabbage, we're simply going to slice it up and mix it into the batter. And for the bacon, we're going to cut it up into chunks and fry it in a non-stick pan till it becomes crispy and delicious. After that, we're going to set some of it onto the side and the rest of it into the batter as well. On the same non-stick pan on low to medium heat, we're going to be pouring in our okonomiyaki mixture. Once it's all in, we're just going to cover it up and let the steam cook it through. After a few minutes, or once the bottom of our okonomiyaki is nice and brown, we're going to flip this and cook the other side to give it some nice color. Once that's done, we can just transfer it onto a plate and top it with the toppings of your choice. In this case, I'm going to go with some okonomiyaki sauce, some Japanese mayo, and sprinkle it with some bonito flakes and a few more of those good old crispy bacon bits. Because you can never have too much bacon, unless of course you have a health problem. In that case, may I suggest making this with healthier ingredients Or maybe making a vegetarian version of this with just veggies like cabbages or bean sprouts and top it with some nice low sodium soy sauce. Don't worry, it'll still taste great. Plus, you'll feel good right after too, because you'll be healthier and not have to go through the day with food guilt. But again, it's your food adventure, and I just want for all of you to have fun and itadakimasu.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, just like how those customers enjoy the food, because they're totally different people. And I really hope that you guys try this really simple recipe at home, where you can cook it
Yummy.
Oh, and again, you can follow us on our Instagram or Facebook page under ReymarCooks, links down below. And I just want to say a very special thanks to my boy Vytallis. He's actually been editing the video since the last video, that's why the quality's really gotten up, and I'm really grateful for him. In fact, he's probably editing this video right now. Hi Vytallis! You should really check out his channel too. You can find the link down below, and it's filled with really great content that, after you cook, you're eating and you might want to watch something while you're eating if you're bored, then he has great content you can go watch and you will definitely enjoy. Anyway, that's all the time we have left. And remember, sometimes it's not always about the food, but it's all about the person that you're making it for. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much again. Bye!
For those of you who have made it here to the very end of the video, congratulations! You have unlocked the Easter egg. Quick warning for those of you who cringe very easily. Leave now. For those of you who have stayed, you have been warned.
OkonomiYUMMY!